Hi, I'm Spencer Weldon. I'm one of the exercise physiologists here at Move by BJC. Today we're going to go through a little linear locomotive warm-up, which is great for any days you're going to do sprints or running of any kind. This would be a great way to get ready. Alright, so we'll start over here. We're going to do some ankle scoops. So from here, you're going, that front leg is going to be straight, toe to the sky. You're just going to scoop it up, take a little step, scoop other way. So, same thing, coming back, scoop that front straight leg. You should feel it through that calf and a little bit in the hamstring of the front legs where we're getting stretched out there. Next one is just an ankle skip. So again, bringing that toe towards your shin as you do it. Just a little pop in between. Working on that front leg. Like so. Now same motion, but no hop in between, just right into it. So you're working on that dorsiflexion, toe to the shin. All right, next one, 10-man march. So leg is going to kick up, opposite hand coming to the toe, and then just alternating. So stretching out that top leg. Like that. And same thing, come back. Like that. Next is just the 10-man skip. So same motion, just a little more dynamic as we pick it up. Okay, and we'll go into an A march. So working on form here, so knees coming up, heel coming towards your butt, and arm, good pump. Foot strike under the hips. Okay. So same thing, just a little bit of a hop in between here. Again, good arm pump along with the lower body, don't forget that. And your gaze is just kind of out in front of you. Okay, and now we're gonna do the same motion, but you're gonna just move backwards. Okay. Alright, so high knees here, good strong arm pump, knees coming up high, quick feet, chopping up and down. Alright, and then last one we're going to do is butt kicks. This one a lot of people do wrong. What they do is they just keep their knees directly under their hips and they're just flailing back here, which does get a little quad stretch, but we're actually wanting to keep relatively good running form. So we're actually going to be coming here, so the knee is still coming up in front of the body, but you are still getting that butt kick with the heel. So again, don't forget the arms. All right, there we go. You're ready for your run, your sprints, or whatever you're doing today. Good to go. Thanks.
Hey guys, my name is Bake McBride. I am the Assistant Manager and Group Fitness Director here at Move by BJC. And I want to thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to join us for this session. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can jump on the website at www.movebybjc.org, or you can give us a call, 314-286-0525. Thanks again.